Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about the right triangle. So now I will show you how to answer. A plaza is to be constructed in a city redevelopment area. The shaded area shown represents the proposed plaza. Determine the angle y. Here is about the angle y in the diagram below to the nearest 100 degrees. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look carefully about the corner in here, this is about the circle, and we know that the radius of the circle is about 60 meters. Now, if we draw the line from here to here, we can see that this radius in here and the line in here, they can create about the tangent line. So that means the angle from here, that's about 90 degrees. Now, if we want to find the angle y, we need to find the angle in here, number 1, and angle number 2. So we know that the circle with the radius is about 60 meters. So this line in here, that's about the radius of the circle. So that means we have 60 in here. Now we want to find the value of this line here. So we just use about 204 minus 60. So we have 144. Now we can calculate about the angle number 2. So this one, that's about the right triangle. So we can use about tan alpha equals to opposite divided by adjacent. So we have opposite, that's about 144, adjacent, that's about 162. So we can find about alpha, that's about 144 over 162. So alpha in this situation, that's about arctan of 144 over 162. We calculate about this one, and we have 41.6 degrees. Now let's go to angle number 1. We know that this line here, we have 60. We can calculate the length of this one because we have this right triangle in here. So we can find the length of this one by using about Pythagorean theorem. So I will put the line in here is about small a. So we have a square equals to 144 square plus 162 square. And this one, we have 46,980. So we put the square root for the both sides. So this one approximates about 18 with the square root of 145. So this is equal in here. After we got about this number in here, we can use about sine alpha equals to opposite over hypotenuse. And we know that opposite, we have 60. Hypotenuse is about this number in here. And now we have alpha equal to arc sine of this number in here. So this one we have 16.07 degrees. Now we know that the total angle in here, that's about 90 degrees. And we can find the angle y in here. That's about 90 degrees. We need to minus about 41.6 degrees and 16.07 degrees. We calculate about this one and we have 32.33 degrees. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.